Hi there, this is Gordon Dutch of Resource filming on behalf of Rave. Gary and Steph couldn't get here to ISE London Roadshow, but we're here to cover all of the products and the news. Here I'm with Jake from Igloo. Jake Rowland, talk us through your product.
Excellent, thank you. Yes, I'm Jake Rowland, Head of Business Development at Igloo Vision. So Igloo creates immersive shared spaces. We've been doing that for about 13 years now. Originally in the entertainment sector and more recently in the digital workspace. So this is a 3 meter by 4 meter immersive workspace driven by our immersive media player and software platform. And it's all about getting all the digital content and applications that a business would use on a daily basis into a workspace that can be used by anyone in the company.
So can you show us how the product works, Jake, if you'd be so kind?
Yep, come on in. So in this space, we're driving this by 4K projectors, which are connected to our immersive media player and software platform. We can use LED panels. We're kind of display technology agnostic. We have a touch panel in here that can control the system. If I take you back to our home screen interface, you can see these are customizable layouts that allow end users to get through to all of their content and applications. So if I was to launch another piece of content, it might be an immersive marketing video to create a bit of wow factor. But then, once you've done that, we can jump back to our home screen and maybe use it for a little bit more of a practical use case. So let's launch up a number of different kind of tiles here. So we might use this in pitching to a company. Let's imagine it's FedEx. We do a bit of research. We look at maybe some of the people we're pitching to, and then on the other wall we might have our CRM or some other kind of application cloud-based tool. Because this is cloud-based, it can be collaborative as well, so we can work with people who are still at home.
So originally Igloo were doing quite a lot in the event space. That's obviously been a difficult area with COVID, but I believe that you've made some changes now and pivoted into other areas.
Absolutely, yeah. At the beginning of COVID, about 30% of our business was still events and entertainment. Obviously that dried up, and luckily we were just starting to pitch and release the immersive workspace at ISE last year, and we've seen over the last year just a massive demand for it. So we have big enterprise clients knowing that they need immersive technology in their offices. Now they have more space, more people are working at home. They need interesting, usable technologies that bring people back from home, but then also still allow the people that are in the office to collaborate with those team members that are at home, and that's what you can do in these Igloo workspaces.
And I can see you're already busy here at the booth, so there's a lot of interest in the product. I understand you're going to be at Infocom as well, is that correct?
Yeah, absolutely. It's great to get out to ISE and see people. We've been doing a lot of selling over video calls, which I'll just bring up here. So we can see, we can integrate with Teams, Zoom, whatever, to create that collaboration. And this is how we've been demoing for the past year. Companies viewing into the system, but it's great for people to actually get in the room and experience it, and we'll be packing this up, shipping it to our New York office, and then it will be going to Infocom towards the end of the year.
That sounds great. So if people want to know more, have a look at the website, which is
www.igloovision.com, and there's an inquiry form there that will get through to us.
That's great. Thanks for your time here at ISE London.
Thank you. Thanks, Gordon.